In this video we are going to write a Python program to solve quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is made from a Latin term quadrates, which means square. It is a special type of equation having the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Here, x is unknown, which you have to find, and a, b, c specifies the numbers such that a is not equal to 0. If a equals 0, then the equation becomes linear, not quadratic anymore. In the equation, a, b and c are called coefficients. Let's take an example to solve the quadratic equation 8 by 2 plus 16x plus 8 equals 0. In the first line, we have imported the math module and we have defined three variables named a, b, and c, which takes input from the user. Let's run the code and see the output. Code is given in description.